Welcome to this tutorial where we'll walk you through how to program, register, and test the Glyptic CE Addressable Fire Alarm Panel. Programming a Glyptic Addressable device. We'll begin with programming the device using the Glyptic Handheld Programming Kit. Slide down the cover to reveal the buttons. To power it on, press any button. The display will show the letter P, which means the kit is active and in program mode. There are 4 buttons: +10, -10, +1 and -1. Use +10 or -10 to move in steps of 10. Use +1 or -1 to move one step at a time. First, set the address you want. Then touch the 2 probes of the programming kit to the pins where the loop connects on the device. The device will automatically take the programmed address. A beep will confirm the action, and the kit will move on to the next address for the following device. Checking a device address. To check an existing address, switch the kit to read mode. Press and hold +1 and -1 together until the display changes from P to D. The screen will show 0 by default. Now touch the probes to the device pins. The stored address will appear instantly. Once you release the probes, the display goes back to 0. To turn off the kit, simply press and hold -10 and -1 until the screen powers down. Exploring the Glyptic Fire Alarm Panel. This is the Glyptic GLP440, a 2-loop addressable fire alarm panel. On the front, you'll notice a 4.3-inch TFT color display, LED indicators for status and events, an operation keyboard, a built-in buzzer, and an inbuilt thermal printer. Auto-registering devices. To register devices into the panel, press the menu key. Select Setup. 2. Enter the primary password 119. Select Automatic Registration 2. Enter the secondary password 000000. Press Enter to start the process. The panel will now auto-register all connected devices with a countdown timer. Once finished, the devices are ready to operate. Viewing registered devices. To check which devices have been registered, press the menu key, go to Inquire. 3. Select Register Devices 1. Enter the loop number. The display will list all registered devices along with their addresses. Switching between auto and manual mode. In auto mode, all hooters and strobes activate automatically whenever an alarm is triggered. In manual mode, you can apply custom rules or trigger devices manually. To change the mode, press Menu, Setup. 2. Enter the primary password 119. Select Automatic Mode 7. Enter the secondary password 000000. Use the up button to enable auto mode or the down button to set manual mode. Checking fire history. To review past alarms, press Menu, Inquire. 3. Select Fire Alarm History. 4. A chronological list of fire events will be displayed. Use the up or down keys to scroll through records. Testing the fire alarm system. For testing, always use a proper aerosol smoke spray or a multi-detector tester, never incense sticks. spray the smoke near the multi-sensor detector. Within about 9 to 10 seconds, the detector will trigger an alarm. The panel buzzer will sound, hooters and strobes will activate, and the inbuilt printer will automatically log the event. To silence the hooters and strobes, press the Start Stop button. To reset the system, press the Reset button and enter the password 119. The panel will return to normal standby mode.